Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on isothermal process. Today we will discuss on numerical of isobaric process, isochloric process and isothermal process. Air with volume of 5 cubic meters having a temperature 0 degrees Celsius and a pressure 3.5 bar is heated to 75 degrees Celsius in a closed container. Find change in internal energy and second heat supply. They will given R is equal to 287 joule per kg Kelvin and Cv is equal to 0.712 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. When we solve the numerical of ideal gas and ideal gas process, that time always process needed to be decided at beginning. So in this numerical process is isochloric process. Given initial volume is equal to V1 is equal to 5 meter cube. Initial temperature 0 degrees Celsius. So degree Celsius is converted into Kelvin. So 0 plus 273. So initial temperature is 273 Kelvin. Initial pressure 3.5 bar. Bar is converted into Newton per meter square. So 3.5 bar is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Final temperature 75 degrees Celsius. So in Kelvin 75 plus 273 so is equal to 348 Kelvin. So in isochloric process volume remains constant. So V1 is equal to V2. So V2 is equal to 5 meter cube. So in this numerical we find change in internal energy and and heat supply. So change formula of changing internal energy is mCV T2 minus T1. So in this formula m is unknown and internal energy is also unknown. So in this formula two things are unknown. So first we find the m mass. Okay, so how we will find the mass? So characteristics of gas equation is PV is equal to MRT. Means for the first point P1 V1 is equal to MRT1. So in this formula M only M is unknown. So after after putting the value in this formula we get M is equal to 22.34 kg. So change in internal energy is equal to mCV T2 minus T1. So so M is equal to 22.34 kg, Cv is equal to 0.71 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, T2 is 348 Kelvin and T1 is 273 Kelvin. So after a calculation, changing internal energy is equal to 1189.6 kilojoule. Then heat supply. In isochloric process, heat supply and changing internal energy is same. So heat supply is equal to 1189.6 kilojoule. Air with an initial condition 10 bar 0.05 meter cube and 400 Kelvin expanded at constant pressure process to 0.25 meter cube. Calculate temperature of air at the end of expansion. Second, change in internal energy. Third, specific heat at constant pressure. R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and Cv is equal to 0.713 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So in this numerical process is isobaric process. In isobaric process, pressure remains constant. So given initial pressure 10 bar, bar is converted into Newton per meter square. So 10 bar is equal to 10 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Initial volume 0.05 meter cube. Initial temperature 400 Kelvin. Final volume V2 0.25 meter cube. So in isobaric process, PVT relation is V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. So in this formula, we get final temperature. So T2 is equal to 2000 Kelvin. Then we find internal energy. So formula of internal energy is mCv T2 minus T1. But in this formula m is unknown. So for m we use the characteristics of gas equation. So characteristics of gas equation is P1 V1 is equal to mR T1. So in this formula we get m is equal to 0.4355 kg. So value of mass is put in change in internal energy. So after that we get change in internal energy is equal to 496.818 kilojoule. Then find specific heat at constant pressure. So we know that the Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Okay. So we have Cv and R. So value of Cv and R put in this formula. So we get Cp. So value of Cp is equal to 1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. 1 kg air at pressure of 500 kilopascal and 27 degrees Celsius is expanded at constant temperature in a cylinder to a pressure of 100 kilopascal. The final volume is 20 meter cube. Find first initial volume, second heat transfer, third work of expansion, and fourth change in internal energy. So in this numerical process is isothermal process. In this process temperature remains constant. So given m is equal to 1 kg, initial pressure 500 kilopascal, initial temperature 27 degrees Celsius. So 27 is converted into uh, Kelvin. So 27 plus 273, so 300 Kelvin. Final temperature 100 kilopascal. Final volume 20 meter cube. So in isothermal process, PVT relation is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So in this formula, in this formula, we get initial volume. So V1 is equal to 4 meter cube. In isothermal process, T1 is equal to T2. So in change in internal energy is 0 because temperature remains constant. In heat transfer, in isothermal process, heat transfer is equal to work transfer. So formula of heat transfer or work transfer is equal to P1 V1 log E V2 upon V1. So we get heat transfer and work transfer is equal to 3218.87 kilojoule. Thank you.